Uje kandon ka air raid warning siren. Nane ka red signal ka pangi ong mo. Di kata kebut ban Pynpah ba kandon ka jing thombor. Nasun beneng. Di kani ka kadiga jing sawa. Mo kadon ka fluctuation kaki batahyar kamlong renti mo tekani kamut ka jing ka signal jung ka jingmu jung ka kanong ban ong ba kanwan ka jing thombor nan sun beneng mo te menta pat ngan persingap bp kani ka all clear. To kani ka nabenta kani mo exercise nasai ya kani ka air raid warning mo ka red signal ngin Pynpah tang minute kani ka siren ka balong kiu hiar kani ka all clear pat nane ka balong la ja uni nongsun di kani pat ngin pensawa ar minute mo kani pat kuma piyok so balong ka barenti ka siren kamdon ka jing kiu kamdon ka jing hiar kalong renti ba salon sar.
To all of you and extend my sincere gratitude for your presence here during such a short notice. Actually, the conference was called, the main agenda of the conference is that Meghalaya will be conducting a statewide civil defense mock exercise. That is tomorrow, 24th April 2026. The mock exercise on air raid and blackout will be conducted in all districts of the state, involving all important stakeholders such as the Air Force, Army, the Police, the State Disaster Response Force, SDRF, Home Guards, CD, wardens and volunteers, etc. The name of the exercise will be termed as Armex, which is Air Raid Mock Exercise Part 1, so Armex-I. It will be conducted in 2 stages. Namely, stage 1 will be comprising of simulation on search and rescue operations, fire response, evacuation, and even medical response extra, because we'll be roping in all these health departments as well as power departments, even the SDMA and DDMA. Stage 1 will commence from 3 p.m. and we intend to conclude it at 4 p.m. And stage 2 basically will consist of the blackout, which will be for 2 minutes from 7 to 7:02 p.m. So in stage 1, the civil defense sirens will be sounded at 3 p.m. Noon in all districts of the stage to indicate the signaling of an air raid and commencement of the mock exercise. Again, during stage 1 of the mock exercise, the CD siren will be sounded at 4 p.m. to indicate the all clear signal, which my colleague will be elaborating to you. And also after the conclusion of the mock exercise and demobilization and regrouping of all the stakeholders and participants in the mock exercise, which will have a debriefing after that at 4:30. Yeah. In the second stage of the mock exercise, that is stage 2, the civil defense will be sounded at 7 p.m. like I told you in the evening to signal an air raid and the commencement of a blackout, which will be a statewide blackout. Here the general public is strongly requested to kindly participate in the mock exercise by switching off their lights, inverters and all sorts of illuminations as a mock practice of the blackout. This will only work with the participation of the general populace. The cooperation of all the Dorbachnongs via the Rangbachnongs, the village elders, proprietors of the especially futsal grounds is also sought for the successful conduct of the simulation. The general public is requested to kindly participate wholeheartedly in this whole exercise, because this is conducted in the interest of national security, and the directive has came from MHA as well, that is with even the PMO's office being interested in this mock exercise. So as part of the civil defense preparedness for protection and safeguarding of the civilian lives during conflict and wars, civil defense mock exercise on air raid will henceforth be conducted every year with the aim of generating public awareness and preparedness.
Civilian crucial time, okay, to react, to respond, and to go to a safe place. We get our intelligence from the Air Force. Okay, once an enemy aircraft approaches the Indian airspace, the Air Force informs us that there's an incoming threat, which gives us, from the time that it enters the airspace to the time that we sound the siren and the response of the public, we have ample time to save lives. Okay, so the air raid siren is a way to tell the people that there's an attack going to happen and that you need to take steps. What are the steps? Go to a safe area, a bomb shelter. If you are outside, you will try to go to a covered place,
Safe places.
to a safe place. That the main aim is to save lives.